YouTubers, here's another episode with me, Galactic Gamer. As you can see, I'm here on my Clash of Clans base, and my town hall finally upgraded to level 6, and I've got some new stuff in store. Okay, let's go check our defenses. Cool. Oh wow, another mortar. Where should I place it? Okay. 8 hours. Okay. I'm just gonna make some troops and then we're going to head into battle. I think I should add a few wizards. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a few wizards. A few giants. What should I add? And archers. And spill. Oh yes, gem box. Okay. Yes. Alright. Okay, now let's attack a multiplayer. Searching. Not enough money, Alexa. Next base. No. Okay. This has a lot of money. Should I attack it? No. I'm trying to find a weak base with a lot of gold and elixir. Okay, no way we're attacking this. This guy probably has a barbarian king somewhere. Level 5 barbarian king. No. No. Okay. Ooh. Found a good base. Okay. Let's attack. Okay. Start off with the wizards. Yes, the giants have broken through. Yes, destroy the mortar. This is almost too easy. This is easy. hate it when they put the builders on the edges. You're wasting my time. And victory is ours once again. Yes. Okay. So that was pretty fun, but sadly that's all we have for today. So if you ever want to know any new updates on Clash of Clans, you know who I am. Galactic Gamer here, signing out.